Hey guys, let's gather all our scattered stationery and place them in a beautiful organizer. Gift it to your beloved and see the reaction. So why not? Let's get to work. Take a 99 into 20 centimeter cardboard. Draw a margin at a gap of 15 centimeter, followed by a 3 centimeter margin. Again at 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter once more. Do the zigzag folding as shown. Cover it using a colored self-adhesive sheet. You need to first plan the placement of the stationery on the board, then mark it. Cut a slit on the first and last marking to insert the elastic from one end and exit from the other end. Glue it as done. Once the elastic is fixed, prepare the outer cover out of a cardboard. Now, we'll move on to prepare the inner support frame out of 1/2 inch thick thermocol sheet. Fix a book belt first, followed by fixing our top cover prepared earlier. So here we are done.